India is facing a tough time grappling with COVID 19 and coming to terms with the lockdown. Many individuals as well as organizations are extending their help to the needy. Prakash Nair, Director Media Eye News Service Mumbai and Director Media Eye Foundation Mumbai, is playing an instrumental role in initiating the distribution of essential commodities such as rice, flour, dal, oil, biscuits, and other necessary daily items to more than 200 families in Ganganagar, Hanuman Nagar, and slums in Mumbai to feed the underprivileged. Nair, a resourceful and passionate social worker, has been serving for more than 2 decades with various development agencies involved in social development, economic development, and cultural development to empower communities and individuals often in disadvantaged circumstances. Nair has also been instrumental in procuring personal protective equipment kits and masks to frontline staff through its channel partner Index Logistics for those affected by COVID 19 in Indore as well. He has been at the forefront for serving common citizens in despair during any crisis through his pan India team and his close relationships with various channel partners during flood, famine, and droughts. Prakash Nair is also associated with various old age ashrams and orphanages in taking care of their well being and happiness, providing medical help to the needy and underprivileged. Nair is associated with village development and awareness drive in various districts in Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan. He is also involved in educating slum children in Mumbai since more than 5 years. He has been a significant contributor in voluntary work for common good of all citizens regardless of their gender, caste or religion. The commendable job done by Prakash Nair and his team in this hour of crisis is extremely crucial for making a better tomorrow. And towards this, his efforts are laudable.
The world is grappling through a COVID-19 pandemic situation, and we have taken the initiative of doing our bit, drop in the ocean, by distributing essential commodities to suffice the hunger of the underprivileged during the lockdown period. We have been distributing materials from the start of the lockdown period and continuing till date by identifying the really needy people who are struggling and barely have any food at their home. There are various cases found where people have come walking 2 to 3 kilometers from far off places to pick up the essential commodities. Our focus was to identify the real needy people through various references received from the chairman and managing committee of various societies, different WhatsApp groups, volunteers, NGOs, etc. Just in the past few days, I have spoken with Mr. Gopal Shetty, Honorable MP, Mumbai North, who had referred me to Dr. Bipin Joshi, Mr. Sudhir Nayak, Officer on Special Duty, to the CM, Mr. Ramakant Biradar, Disaster Management Team Mumbai, BMC, designated for the procurement of PPE and medical items for the frontline hospital staff, who has been very much helpful and cordial in giving a valuable insight and guidance on the various norms and the set standards for procuring the same. Our main agenda was to create awareness of maintaining hygiene, cleanliness, social distancing, wearing masks, and specially educating the slum pockets to take the necessary precaution while using common toilets. Also helping the senior citizen by providing them with essential commodities at their doorstep. We have managed to send few personal protection equipment, masks to Indore through our partner Index Logistics. Our team has always been a forefront for serving the common citizen in despair during any crisis, whether flood, famine, or drought. Our aim is to build a pipeline to ensure continuity of supply with support from all the networking colleagues and associates during this hour of crisis. I am so grateful to Mr. Ismail Khan, Managing Director, Index Logistics, for always showering his willingness and trusting me to help and support during any crisis. He has been very instrumental and passionate in coming forward to help and support in for every social cause. We are encouraged by the solidarity and generosity of different individuals, and especially here I would like to name the veteran social worker Mrs. Meera Kamath, coordinating and reaching out to the masses and handling the grievances at the age of 70 plus to help the vulnerable in the society, which has always been a source of inspiration to me. My humble request is to support other people in your community who are in distress and need your help as much as it does them. Check in on neighbors, family, and friends. Compassion is a medicine in the current hour of crisis. COVID 19 is taking so much from us, but it's also giving us something special, the opportunity to come together as one humanity, to work together, to learn together, to grow together. I thank you.